full power mode. So if you need to change it, then go ahead.
All right, they're both ready to go, so we'll count it in 3, 2, 1, fight. Parker actually doing a pretty good job getting into the center there, meeting up with ground plane. Super quiet on the way in there, but that weapon is definitely a sleeper. Takes off a couple of pieces from Totally, and looks like for a moment there Dave was having a little bit of trouble getting it to drive, but it's back up and going on one wheel, careening a bit. Totally throwing the rubber pieces directly into the weapon of ground, forcing him into the wall. Totally trying to pursue. His ground is getting over to the other side, trying to open up some distance and prepare to come in with his weapon at full speed. Gets a good hit on the side wheel there of Totally, and both jockeying for position in the center there. Doing a good dance, and Parker doing a great job getting around side of ground plane and pushing into the blue hazard. Both in the center now. Looks like they're hoping for a bit of a push, but not an opportunity. Ground plane gets back up to speed, meets in the center, and takes a good little chunk of something out of the front of Totally. Once again, Totally going into the weapon twice there of ground plane, who's now behind the blue hazard. Totally tries for another attempt, ends up careening off and hitting the blue hazard. This time, ground plane behind Totally managed to get a bit of a grind on those metal teeth, or the one that's left anyway. Minute 50 still to go. Ground plane's in the middle, ramps it up. Totally was waiting for his moment. They both try to meet in the middle, end up dancing around each other. Ting there as ground plane ends up hitting the blue. Ooh, and a hard bounce off of the blue hazard. Tops off, stop the match, stop the match. Yeah, we've got an exposed battery. That's a destruction of Totally, so the win goes to ground plane. Congratulations, Dave.